In today's competitive consumer electronics industry, accurate forecasting and resource allocation are critical for success. Let's take a look at how our client, a leading manufacturing hub, transformed their operations with the power of data. As a company with a rich history, our client recognized the need to modernize their forecasting processes and streamline the supply chain operations in manufacturing. They wanted to ensure that their customers receive high-quality products on time, while managing costs and resources. The client faced several challenges. Their manual forecasting processes resulted in inaccurate demand forecasts and costly inventory shortages. Limited visibility into market trends and customer preferences further hampered their ability to make accurate predictions. Manual tasks, such as data entry and reporting, consumed valuable time that could be better spent on strategic activities. To address these challenges, we implemented a comprehensive Power BI analytics dashboard tailored to their supply chain forecasting processes. We at DataToBiz gathered data from various sources, like sales data, customer feedback, economic indicators, and competitor analysis. With advanced analytics techniques, such as time series forecasting, predictive modeling, and machine learning algorithms, we developed accurate demand forecasts. The Power BI dashboard provided the client with real-time insights into demand patterns, inventory levels, and production schedules. Its interactive interface made it easy for them to visualize and monitor key metrics. Our client.
The dashboard revolutionized our forecasting processes. We could now make data-driven decisions, optimizing our production and ensuring timely delivery of products.
The impact was remarkable. Forecast accuracy improved by 13%, reducing costly errors. Manufacturing lead time decreased by 11%, ensuring products reach customers faster. Production costs were reduced by 10% through improved resource allocation strategies. By minimizing supply chain disruptions and stockouts, customer satisfaction increased. The company experienced a 17% decrease in stockouts, ensuring product availability and on-time deliveries. Our client.
With these changes, our profitability increased by 9% in the previous fiscal year. The analytics dashboard allowed us to make informed decisions, resulting in a positive impact on our bottom line.
By leveraging the power of data analytics, our client transformed their forecasting and resource allocation, achieving greater manufacturing efficiency and streamlined operations. In an industry driven by innovation and precision, embracing advanced analytics proved to be the key to success. Pay us today to unlock the data potential for your business.